Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 Tech Edition. So as the name suggests, this car's packed full of great features, including the ability to self-park, 3D navigation, there's front and rear sensors with a colour reversing camera. Other features include 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 14,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.